Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to work on the Whirlpool and KitchenAid refrigerator. So if you have a dispenser and the ice is not coming out, but you do have ice in the ice bin or the bucket I would call it, more than likely it's your shaft is stripped. So first thing you want to do is remove this ice bucket. Some are different than others, but if you do have trouble removing it, just remove the ice and press the button in and shake side to side. So the tools you'll need will be a quarter bit. You can use a little ratchet. It's actually easier to get the two quarter bit screws out. And then once you remove these, we'll just remove the top off, as you'll see here in a moment. So yes, and like and subscribe to this video if you enjoy it, if it helped you out. If not, just hit the like button. That would help this video get to more people faster. So I would be grateful for that. And then once you remove the two quarter bit screws, you'll just pull this up. You will need a flathead, but I left mine in the car, so as you'll see here, I use my key to pry up on it, but definitely a flathead is a better way to go. So yeah, this one's stripped pretty bad. So this connects into the auger motor, but as you can see, it's just stripped, and so when it's turning, it's just not grabbing the auger motor itself. So this is the new one. I will try to find this part and leave it in the description below, or you can just check our website. We have a number on there. You can contact the parts department. So this one is nice and squared. It's not stripped. So just slide the new one down, and then you'll turn it clockwise until it drops down into the auger motor and press down. And then this cap you'll just place back on top, and then you'll put your two quarter bit screws back in to snug it. I'm just going to use this bit to get started, but just don't over tighten it, but just snug it with your ratchet. So now you'll just slide the bucket back on top, and then we'll give it a test run to shake it, make sure it's in place. And this one does work correctly now. So now the shaft is connected to the auger motor. So that fixes that problem. So yeah, like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and have a good one. Thank you.